Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm your host, Jason, and I'm very happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. This is Julia, and thank you so much for joining us again. We hope you're having a great day wherever you are listening from.
Today's episode is about something very important, not only for learning English, but for your whole life. Our topic today is don't waste your time.
Yes, this is a powerful topic, because time is the one thing we all have, but once it's gone, we can never get it back.
That's right. Many people say, I don't have time. But the real problem is not that we don't have time. It's that we sometimes use our time in the wrong way.
Exactly. And if you're learning English, your time is even more valuable. The way you use just 20 or 30 minutes a day can completely change your progress.
In this episode, we're going to talk about what wasting time really means, why we do it, and how we can stop doing it in a simple and practical way.
We'll also share easy ideas to help you use your time better, especially if you're busy with work, study, or family responsibilities.
So if you've ever felt like your days pass quickly, but your goals stay far away, this episode is for you.
And if you want to improve your English, your habits, and your future, you're in the right place.
Let's get started.
Yes, let's begin.
So, Julia, let's start with a simple question. What does wasting time really mean?
Good question. I think many people imagine wasting time as doing nothing like lying on the bed all day or watching random videos for hours.
Yes, but actually, wasting time is not always about doing nothing. Sometimes we are very busy, but we are busy with the wrong things.
Exactly. You can be busy all day and still not move closer to your goals. That is also wasting time.
So maybe we can say this. Wasting time means using your time in a way that does not help your life, your growth, or your goals.
I like that definition. For example, scrolling on your phone for 1 hour without learning anything or relaxing properly, that's wasting time.
Yes. But watching a movie in English to relax and learn at the same time, that's not wasting time. That's using time wisely.
Another example is overthinking. When we think too much about a problem but never take action, we are also wasting time.
That's true. Overthinking feels productive, but it often keeps us stuck.
Also, doing the same mistake again and again without trying to improve, that's another form of wasting time.
So wasting time is not about rest. Rest is important. The problem is mindless time, not meaningful rest.
Yes, resting with intention is healthy. But escaping from your responsibilities and dreams again and again is not.
In simple words, wasting time means using your time without purpose, without awareness, and without direction.
And the goal of this episode is not to make anyone feel bad. It's to help people become more aware of how they use their time.
Because once you understand how you use your time, you can change it.
And when you change how you use your time, you change your future.
Beautifully said. So now that we understand what wasting time really means, let's talk about why we do it. Why do so many people waste time, even when they know it's bad for them?
One big reason is comfort. Our brain loves comfort. It prefers easy things instead of difficult but meaningful things.
Yes, learning English, building skills, or changing habits takes effort. Watching videos or scrolling on social media is easy and gives quick pleasure.
That's called instant gratification. Our brain wants fast rewards, not long-term success.
Another reason is fear of failure, fear of making mistakes, or fear of not being good enough.
So instead of trying and possibly failing, people choose to avoid the task, and avoidance looks like wasting time.
Exactly. We delay starting because starting feels uncomfortable.
Another habit is distraction. Our phones, apps, and notifications are always calling our attention.
We live in a world designed to steal our focus.
And when your attention is always broken, you cannot do deep work, learning, or real thinking.
There is also something called decision fatigue. When we make too many small decisions, we feel tired and choose the easiest option.
Which is usually the least productive option.
So psychologically, we waste time because of comfort-seeking, fear, distraction, and mental tiredness.
But the good news is these are not personality problems. They are habits, and habits can be changed.
Yes, we are not broken. We just need better systems and better awareness.
And that's what we're going to talk about next, how wasting time actually affects our life and future.
And why it's so important to take this seriously. Now let's talk about something a little more serious, the cost of wasting time. Because wasting time is not free. It always has a price.
Yes, and the scary thing is that we often don't see the cost immediately. It shows up slowly over months and years.
One big cost is lost opportunities. Every hour you waste is an hour you could have used to learn, improve, or move forward.
And those small hours add up. 10 minutes a day becomes more than 60 hours a year.
Another cost is slow progress. People feel frustrated because they feel stuck, but often they are stuck because their daily actions are not moving them forward.
This is very common in language learning. People say, "I've been learning English for years, but I'm still not fluent."
And when we look closely, they were not really learning every day. They were planning, thinking, or waiting, but not practicing.
Another cost is emotional regret.
Yes, regret is very heavy. Looking back and thinking, I wish I had started earlier, or I wish I had used my time better.
That feeling can create stress, sadness, and even loss of confidence.
Also, wasting time reduces self-trust. When you promise yourself to do something and you don't do it again and again, you stop trusting yourself.
And when you stop trusting yourself, it becomes even harder to change.
So the cost of wasting time is not just about productivity. It's about your future, your confidence, and your happiness.
That's why this topic is so important. It's not about being perfect. It's about respecting your own life.
Exactly. So now the most important question, how do we stop wasting time? How can we actually change our daily behavior?
The first step is very simple: awareness. You cannot change what you don't see.
So for 1 or 2 days, just observe yourself. Where does your time go? Your phone? Social media? YouTube? Overthinking?
No judging, just noticing.
The second step is to set clear, small goals.
Big goals feel scary. Small goals feel possible. For example, I will practice English for 15 minutes today.
Not I will become fluent. Just I will practice today.
Another powerful strategy is time blocking. Decide in advance when you will do important things.
For example, from 7 o'clock to 7:30 English practice. From 7:30 to 8 o'clock rest.
When time is planned, it is protected.
Next, reduce distractions.
Yes, put your phone away. Turn off notifications. Create a small, quiet space for focused work.
You don't need more motivation. You need fewer distractions.
Another strategy is to connect your habits to your identity.
Instead of saying I want to learn English, say I am an English learner.
Instead of I want to be productive, say I am a person who uses time wisely.
Because we act in a way that matches who we believe we are.
And finally, be kind to yourself.
You will fail sometimes. You will waste time sometimes. That's human.
The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress.
Small daily improvements are more powerful than big promises.
And that's how you stop wasting time, not with pressure, but with clarity and consistency.
Now, Julia, let's focus on English learners. How do we use time wisely when learning a new language?
Yes, because wasting time doesn't just slow down life, it slows down your English learning too.
Exactly. Many learners spend hours studying but not actually improving because their time isn't used well.
So the first tip is short, focused sessions. You don't need 2 hours at once. Even 20 to 30 minutes of real focus every day works wonders.
Yes, consistency beats long, random sessions. Daily practice creates habits your brain remembers.
Next, combine learning with life. For example, listen to English podcasts while walking or doing chores. Read English captions while scrolling social media.
This way, you're using time you would otherwise waste multitasking for learning.
Also, practice speaking daily. Even 5 minutes of speaking to yourself or repeating sentences out loud is better than just reading or listening.
And don't forget planning your week. Pick specific times for listening, speaking, reading, and writing. When it's planned, it's more likely to happen.
Another tip: track your progress. Write down what you did each day, even if it's small. Seeing improvement motivates you to keep going.
Finally, avoid perfectionism. Don't waste time trying to speak perfectly. Focus on progress and understanding. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, time management for English learners is not about being rigid. It's about using your time intentionally so that every day you get a little better.
And small improvements every day add up faster than long, irregular study sessions.
Exactly. The secret is not doing more, but doing better with the time you have.
That's a great tip for all learners, and honestly, for everyone in life. We've talked a lot today what wasting time really means, why we do it, the cost it brings, and how to stop it.
Yes, Jason. And I want to remind everyone listening, you have control over your time. Even small changes can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. Think about it, just 20 or 30 minutes every day, used wisely, can change your English, your habits, and even your life in a year.
And it's not about working all the time. It's about using your time intentionally, making every moment count, and doing things that move you closer to your goals.
Remember, wasting time doesn't make you lazy. It's often just old habits or distractions. You can change that starting today, right now.
Yes, start small. Pick one area where you're wasting time and change it. Maybe it's your phone, maybe it's overthinking, maybe it's delaying practice.
And celebrate progress, no matter how small. Each step forward builds momentum. Each day you improve is a day you win.
Also, if you're learning English, apply these tips directly to your practice. Set a goal, focus on short sessions, remove distractions, and track your progress.
And don't wait for motivation to come. Take action first. Motivation will follow.
Exactly. Action beats procrastination every time.
So today's message is simple. Don't waste your time. Use it wisely. Focus on growth. Start small. Stay consistent. And your future self will thank you.
Yes, you have the power to change your habits, improve your English, and create the life you want, 1 minute at a time.
Thank you so much for listening today. Remember, every day counts, and every small step matters.
Keep going, stay focused, and make your time meaningful. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Stay motivated and keep learning.